Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English, revision. Students, let us revise how to find the answers from the passage. So the passage starts from here, then this, till here. So let us start. So students, before answering the questions, what we have to do? We have to first read the entire passage, because reading will help us to understand the passage better and it will become easy for us to answer the questions. Question number 1. Read the passage and answer the following questions. First, complete the following sentences. So now students, we have to complete the following sentences. So first sentence is this, that is, I returned rather late from the office last night and dash. So now we have to complete the sentence. So let us find the answer from the passage. Are you all finding it, students? Then here, right? I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. So after and we have to complete the sentence. So it will be the street was bare then. Second, I did not expect an old tire right dash. So now we have to complete the sentence. So let us start. We have to find the answer, students. Are you all finding the answer? We know that this sentence, who told? The newspaper boy, right? So let us find the answer. See, the newspaper boy is here and see here. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. So the sentence is, I did not expect an old tire right. So after right, we have to complete the sentence. So it will be from here, in the middle of the road. So let us write in the middle of the road. Question number 2. Answer in one word or two words only. So now students, these are the questions and we have to find the answer in one or two words only. Okay. So first is, who is grumpy? So let us find the answer from the passage. Are you all reading, students? Yes. So see, the answer is here. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. So the answer is Mr. Patel. B. Who is about to leave for office? So let us find the answer. So, look here. Mr. Desai said that almost time to leave for my office. So it means Mr. Desai is about to leave for office. So the answer is Mr. Desai. C. Who goes to fetch Dr. Sawant? So students, we learned that Madhu falls and injures her foot, right? So Nidhi ran and fetched Dr. Mrs. Sawant. So Mrs. Patel tell this to Nidhi, and so Nidhi goes to fetch Dr. Sawant. So the answer will be Nidhi. Question number 3. Find the opposites of the following words from the passage. So students, these are the words given here. We have to find the opposites of these words from the passage. So the A, rich. So we have to find the opposite of this word from the passage. So let us find. We already know the opposite word of this word, but let us search the answer from the passage. So are you all searching it, students? Yeah. Poor, right? So the opposite of rich is poor. So let us write poor here. B, brother. So the opposite word of brother is sister, right? But let us find the answer. So it is here, sister. So let us write the answer here, sister. Third, late. So let us find the answer. We already know the answer, but let us find the answer from the passage. Okay? So the answer is here, early. So let us write earlier. Next is what? Young. Okay? So let us find the answer. We already know the answer, students, but let us find the answer from the passage. So the answer is year, old, right? So let us write the answer, old. Question number 4. Do as directed. A. But I am going to complain to the mayor. What we have to do here? We have to identify the pronoun from the sentence. So this is the sentence. Now students, we have learned that a word used in the place of a noun in a sentence is called a pronoun, right? And here, as we can see, I. What is this? This is the pronoun that stands for people, and so they are called what? Personal pronoun. So the answer is I. Next, B. I did not expect an old tire right in the middle of the road. Now what we have to do here? We have to identify the homograph from the sentence. So what is homograph, students? A homograph is a word that has the same spelling but different meanings or pronunciation. So can you all identify the homograph from the sentence? The homograph is right. Right? We say no, this is the right answer, and we say take right from the corner of the road. Right? So right is the homograph. Means it is the word that has the same spelling but different meanings. C. Where did all dash litter and garbage come from? Now we have to fill in the blank with suitable demonstrative pronoun. So students, what are demonstrative pronoun? We have learned that the pronouns which indicate particular people or things are called demonstrative pronouns. So we can write here the answer, but let us first find the answer from the passage. Okay? So let us find the answer. The answer is here, see. Where did all this litter and garbage come from? So this is this. So this is what? A demonstrative pronoun. So the answer is this. So the sentence will be, where did all this litter and garbage come from? So this is the demonstrative pronoun. D. Got. And here we have to write the present tense form of the verb. So this got is what, students? This is the past tense form of the verb, right? And what we have to write? We have to write the present tense form of the verb. So we already know the answer, students. But let us find the answer from the passage. So the answer is here. Get. Right? Get is the present tense form of the verb, that is got. So the answer is get. This is the present tense form of the verb.